What up, boy?
Hey there.
How are you?
Great.
Oh, look at you. You got
Side rice.
rice with chicken. What's your name?
My name's Will.
Will.
It's the best side rice.
Oh,
In the
thank
country.
you, man. Where's your friend? Why didn't you bring your friend today?
He went to the movies. He went to the Barbie movie.
What movie?
The Barbie movie.
Barbie.
Yeah, the Barbie movie.
The boys watching Barbie movie?
That's what I said. I went up to his mom. I said, "Why is he going to the Barbie movie?" He said, "Oh, you know, his friend invited him." And I said, "Oh." that
Oh
movie.
my goodness. Oke guys, jadi ini cowok namanya Will. Jadi dia baru kelas 1 SMP guys. Jadi dia sering makan kesini sama teman-temannya, cuma hari ini sendiri. See, how many times you eat fried rice already?
Like every day, basically. Every all the time.
So many times, right?
Yeah. I'm giving you guys at least like $100 in total side rice.
Really?